Alright, hi guys, Charles here, back again for another exclusive home tour. I'm very excited to show you guys this rare unit that we have for sale today. We are currently in the RCR area at Redhill. We are the development known as Principal Garden, developed by UOL. It's a very beautiful landscape design and very close to Redhill Mrt as well. So today, the unit for you guys I have is a 764 square feet unit. It's a very special unit, beautifully renovated, and I can't wait to show you guys the unit. Without further ado, let's go check it out! Alright, hi guys, welcome to the unit. Alright, we're in a 764 square feet unit today, and the great thing about this unit is it's totally done up in move-in condition. Beautifully renovated with a wood kind of green theme going on. Very artistic and very beautiful itself. I think one very unique thing about this house, and I find it very special, is that it was initially a 2-bed 2-bath, and the owner decided to convert it into a 1-bed 1-bath, making it into a very spacious living area and kitchen area. Very good for individuals that are young couples, single professionals, a little bachelor pad going on, and also it's very nice, and can't wait to show you guys the space. So as we greeted in, this is the walkway. The walkway here is originally, this was used to be the kitchen area side, but what they did was they converted into a storage space. You can see that this whole row here is filled with storage space, plenty of cupboard space to put all your needs. A nice display cabinet with LED lighting to really extend the way and welcome you into a welcoming home. On the right here, we have a very beautiful seat to wear your shoes as you step out of the house. Cabinet space from cupboard over here, display cabinet over here, and also more storages under below here as well. So you can see that this house itself is really decked out with a lot of storage, and it's a nice privacy to enter as we move into the living room. Alright, so now we are in the dining room and living room area. First off, you can see behind me that it's very open concept, making it very spacious and welcoming as you come home. Over here, they converted the dining area into a very nice 4-cornered way to sit down. Easily can fit a 4-seater. You can squeeze a few more over here as well. Renovated very nicely, very nice hanging light over there, and very nice brick theme going on over here. The tiles here are very beautifully crafted. So at the same time also, as we come in there, you can see that the floor is also done up. They make it into a very nice terrazzo theme looking and large plated tiles, so making it very welcoming as well. Nice feature wall with wood theme going on. You can see that it easily fits a 60+ inch TV. And the best part of the house is that it's a very nice balcony view, and the balcony view is overlooking Orchard skyline. You can see Takashimaya right there, and you get a very nice pool view as well down the unit as well, which is very nice. Good thing about Principal Garden, the 2-bed 2-bath, is that it's ducted aircon, so you get a nice concealed ducted aircon look. Alright, the balcony area is somewhere they also did invest quite a fair bit. They already did decking already to make it very leveled with the flooring as well. And at the same time, the unit already comes with automated zip tracks, making it very convenient when you want to close and close this area, making it an open area itself. The owner also crafted like this little staircase thing to do your home workout as well. Very nice ladder to do a lot of your TRX, this kind of things, you know, get pumped at home. Yeah, and that's very beautiful. So let's go check out the kitchen now. Alright, moving into the kitchen itself, we can see that over here, this originally used to be the bedroom, common bedroom number 1. What they did was they hacked open this wall here, making it expand the whole space itself. So if you have a beautiful kitchen over here, a nice countertop, lazy cats here lazing over here, and nice countertop with your breakfast, meal prep, or any cooking as well. And then over here, they already have a 3-top induction, and also you do get an oven as well here. Very high quality finishings from Miele and Smack as well, and then a lot of cupboard space and the sink with a beautiful window overlooking the Orchard skyline as well. So I think it's a very nice welcoming way to get down. You can chill and watch TV while you cook. Have kids playing over here as well. A very nice touch and a unique way to design the house as well. Alright, so one more interesting is that the 1-bath itself, the common bath, what they did was they removed the common bath itself and converted it into their own little fridge space. I think this is a very creative way to make use of the space, because over here you can easily fit a 2-door fridge for your whole family needs. Additional carpentry space all over here on top here. This is where they put their washing machine right over here, washer and dryer, and a little laundry area. And right tucked at the corner here, there's actually already a microwave combi oven already here by Miele as well. A little niche and nook itself, and a lot more storage space to really maximize this whole area itself, which I think is a very unique touch when you're converting it into a very usable space for your home needs. Open sesame! Welcome to the master bedroom. You can see that it's beautifully concealed away with a very nice feature door as well. On left here, we have a renovated master bedroom toilet. The owner redid the entire toilet itself, adding a rain shower, new toilet bowl and sink as well. Really beautifully renovated. What they did is that they removed the original cupboard from the developer over here. I think that's a very good touch because they expand the width of the master bedroom itself. Then over here they added carpentry over here where his and her wardrobe space, and also they put like big cabinet space here to put your luggages as well. This is a queen size bed, very spacious in size. They also come with a dresser table on both left and right. But if let's say you want to remove the dresser table, you can easily fit a king size bed as well, no problem at all. Then as you can see, a very nice unblocked views of Orchard CBD skyline as well. And here you got plenty of space here. You can even put they have a drawer table here, but you can even put a baby cot here or even a study area overlooking the view as well. So the space is very nice. And the good thing about this development itself, the ceiling height is taller than most condos itself, giving a very luxe premium finishing as well. At Principal Garden, you are pleased to know that we come with full condo facilities. ULL really did an impressive job with Principal Garden as it consists of 80% landscaping and only 20% of it are used for blocks. So out of the 80%, we have loads of amenities such as a tennis court, 50-meter lap pool, 25-meter lap pool, spa pool, kids pool, and loads of pools to choose from. Not only that, we also come with a gym, clubhouse, and many facilities all for your family needs. Principal Garden is perfectly located in the RCR area. It is only a 10 minutes walk to get you to Redhill Mrt, linking you to the CBD at just only 5 stops to reach Raffles Place. Hungry? You're pleased to know that Redhill Food Centre and Zion Riverside Food Centres are just minutes away. Plus, shopping is a breeze with Valley Point, Tiong Bahru Plaza and Great Wall City all nearby. For families, we are pleased to know that the school is in close proximity with various number of primary schools. Within 1 km, we have Alexandra Primary School, Gan Eng Seng Primary School and Zhang Te Primary School. Within 1 to 2 km, we have Queenstown Primary School, Redhill Mrt Primary and River Valley Primary School. Alright guys, with all good things it comes to an end. We have come to the end of the home tour today. If you'd like to arrange an exclusive viewing, feel free to call me. My name is Charles. I look forward to seeing you. See you guys next time.